Hello guys, so today we'll be rating all these diecast cars.
No, bro, you got the wrong cars.
Oh wait, my
You
bad.
gotta show the real bodies.
Yeah. Okay, so these are the two real cars that we'll be talking about. Only two, but yes, that was good. Because both of them are real remote control RC cars. And that's our channel, so yeah. So let's get to the video.
Especially this one.
Oh my god, bro. Oh,
hell no,
man. What the fuck, man?
Really? Really? What the? So first, we'll be talking about this RC car. It comes with two of these batteries. They have 5 rechargeable batteries, but all of them are connected to this wire. And you can charge it with this USB charger, and this port connects into this port. Each battery has 6 volts of power. This RC car can go outside and inside. The remote looks like this. Pretty cool. This is like acceleration and deceleration. It has a light whenever you're using it. This is the turning. Pretty responsive. It's not behaving. Bogus. Anyway, so as you can see, it has quite a lot of suspension. Pretty good. Let's just show. Pretty good. The tires are pretty soft. There's a front bumper for the design. There's a extra spare back tire for fun. I don't know why they added that. There's a fender. All pretty cool things. Back suspension as well. So overall, the design's pretty good. I broke that, but yeah, that was a cool lighting.
Yes, overall good for off-road.
Yeah. It has a really high floor, so it won't crash into rocks when it goes over it.
Next up, we got the F1 RC drift car. Overall, I'd say this car is really unique and fun to use. So, it has a very special type of tire. It has many barrels on the tires, which are movable. Nextly, it has a really nice front wing, which they have worked on, and has quite nice aerodynamics. Nextly, we have the halo. Average F1 RC cars, of course, they all have it. And lastly, we have the back wing. Yo bro, can you rack up the engine real quick?
Sure.
Yes sir, that's what we need. So, as you can see, the RC car has LED lights inside the body.
Yo bro, here's the remote.
Hey, thanks. That's what I needed. So, as you all can see, it already has a lot of different types of controls. So you can pause the video if you want to clearly study it, though we're already going to go through it one by one. So firstly, let's go through the sound system. So you can toggle the sound of the remote, of the car. So you can turn off the sound there, and now you can turn it on. Now it has a smoke system, so the backlight turns red and smoke is released. I managed to keep the remote on top of the car using this special feature they made. So firstly, you can go front and back, meaning you can accelerate and reverse. So you easily hit this, you go back and forth. So it's quite responsive, I would say. It immediately does it. Nextly, the turning is like this, except you can do 360s and 180s with it. So that's quite cool. And if you're wondering how do you turn, so that's still possible. So you can go like this. In the next feature, the car can. Whoa, something's cooking up. Car's acting quite strange. Alright, so as I was saying, you have these two buttons. These help you to go sideways. It makes the car go sideways. So when I hit this button, it's quite cool, I would say. Never seen an RC car like this. Feels like one of those 2D video games. Nextly, the car can also move diagonally in all directions. So here it is. Wait, first you use these controls So to go diagonal, we need to this, go diagonals to the right, then diagonals back to the left, and then vice versa over here. I'd say it's quite cool, quite nice. Let's talk about the components of the RC F1 drift car. So the RC F1 drift car requires one battery to use. The remote control of the RC drift car requires two batteries. You can use rechargeable batteries like the rechargeable batteries for AA. You can use that for the remote control. For the car, they have given a rechargeable battery with a charger. There's also a screwdriver which was included. Lastly, this is a very different feature. So as you can see, this button in the middle, oh yeah, this chaos, pure chaos. It's automatic mode. You may think, yeah, that's quite good, but yeah, you don't want to click that.
Yo, bro, relax. It's just a video. Keep it here and just relax.
Bro, it's an autopilot mode.
No, it's not. Oh,
By the way, the car moves by AWD system. Here's a word. Welcome to Drift Arena. Our F1 car will perform drifts in the drift arena against a drifting code.
Three, two, one, go! Three, two, one, go!
We're on to acceleration test.
Three, two, one, go!
we did the comparison. You guys know which one's better. Let's just end the video here. See you guys next time.
Oops,
Wait,
I
what?
turned the lights off.
Why did you turn the light off?
It's disco time.
No! No, the car's not controlling itself. Something just hit me. Something just hit me.
Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below which RC car do you like the most. See you all on the next one.